How to use PayPal Credit in store without card. PayPal Credit works like a digital loan tied to your PayPal account. Unlike traditional credit cards, it doesn't come with a physical card you swipe. Instead, it lets you finance online purchases or pay over time wherever PayPal is accepted. But can you use this credit in a physical store without a card? Let's find out. While you don't get a physical PayPal credit card, you can use it in stores that accept PayPal payments. Many retailers allow you to pay by scanning a PayPal QR code from your phone or by linking your PayPal account to their payment system. When you pay through the app or linked account, your PayPal credit balance covers the purchase. Here is how to pay without a card. Open the PayPal app on your phone, choose PayPal Credit as your payment method, then scan the store's PayPal QR code at checkout. Alternatively, if the store links directly to PayPal accounts, you can simply approve the payment from your app. This way, you use your PayPal credit without needing a physical card. Keep in mind, not every store accepts PayPal for in-person payments yet. Some only take PayPal online. Also, some retailers may not support PayPal credit specifically. Always check the store's payment options or ask if they accept PayPal QR or PayPal credit before relying on it at checkout. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.